Good. What's up?
Hey, yo, Ren, turn that up. She said, show me some affection.
Okay, guys, so to get the same thing that I have onto my screen, what you're going to do is you're going to get to your indicators. So this is the indicators right here. And the first things first, you're going to get your zigzag. Okay, you're just going to press zigzag here. And zigzag is pretty much this right here, this line here. Okay. When you get to your zigzag, you want to make sure that these are the levels that you're dealing with. Okay. So you want the deviation to be 5, you want the depth to be 12, you want the back step to be 3, and then you want it to be red, whichever color that you can see it stand out with. So if you wanted it to be this color, you could. If you want it to be this color, it really doesn't matter, but I just go with the red simply because I can see it better and at a clearer angle compared to all the other colors. Then from there, guys, what you're going to do is next, you're going to go for your Keltner channel. And so what you'll do is you'll get back to indicators and you're just going to look for that Keltner channel. You want to make sure that your levels are for the EMA period to be 15. You want the ATR period to be 10, the multiplier to be 1. And then this, everything else is already should be defaulted like this already. If not, just make sure that it's just like mine. Okay. So if you have to, go ahead and pause the video if you need to, just to make sure that all of this is the same. Okay. So again, 15, 10, and 1 for your Keltner channel. All right. Then last but not least, you want to go ahead and get your MACD. Okay. You just will have to search that. You'll press MACD here. And what you want down here, because it will pop up down here, your levels will be for the fast period will be 10, slow period 22, signal period 12, and then you have your histogram. Everything should just look exactly like mine. I have not messed with it. And then that's pretty much it. Okay. So this is all of the indicators you need for this specific strategy that I use for HFX in general. Okay. So again, I am using my demo account because simply I haven't been in the motions with HFX at the time, simply because I've been focusing on growing my Forex account. But nonetheless, we are back in it. Okay. So first things first, guys, I want you guys to get your journal out or some sort of notebook that you put all your notes in. I want you guys to get all that together. So first things first, in regards to this actual strategy, you want to make sure it's almost as if it's like the Heiken Ashi. So if you're familiar with the Heiken Ashi, especially from my new course with the strategy course. So with the MACD, if you see that your MACD here, as you guys can see, right? If you see that your MACD here, if you see that it's crossing, you do not want to get into the trade, okay? This is where the market is transitioning into a new small trend or a new transition altogether. All right, let me take this off here. So again, guys, if you see that this here is crossing, you do not want to get into the trade. You only want to get into the trade when you see that your MACDs are actually under these candles here. Okay. When you notice that, you want to get in for whichever the lines are crossed over as, okay? So if you see that the green line is over your red line, you guys should already know that that is a buy. If you notice that your red line is above your green line, you guys should know that that is a sale, okay? So it's just like the Heiken Ashi strategy, but it is for HFX and binary options, okay? All right. So as you guys can see here, you guys notice that when it crossed, it was on top of our candles here, knowing that, okay, the green was underneath the red, which made it known that this was a sell opportunity. If you guys can see here, this was a sell opportunity, right? All right. So when you guys notice that this area right here, as you guys seen this transition, you guys notice that this is an overall sell and it matches here, right? So what I mean by that is with HFX or binary options, as some of you guys may say, HFX is money in minutes, okay? So you're dealing with a time frame of 1 minute all the way up to, I believe, 5 minutes, okay? I don't use nothing more than 5 minutes. I always use at least a minute to 3 minutes. It just depends on the pair itself, okay? So this is the first step that you wanna make sure. If you notice that there's no volume or there's no momentum, you guys see that it's late at night actually. It's actually 12:08 a.m. Central Time. So this is not a time that I'm going to actually get into trading. I wanted to show you guys the actual strategy. So then moving forward, you guys know the type of strategy that I'm using so we can make pips together. Okay. So in that essence, we don't see any volume. We don't see no momentum. So I'm not about to get into the trade. I'm not about to get in. So guys, as you guys notice, right? You also want to get in when I notice that my zigzag is going down. Okay, the zigzag is also an indicator for you to say, okay, it's going down direction. I want to get in for a sell, right? So if you notice that your zigzag was starting to turn here, that would have been an opportunity for you to go for a down. That's a sale. Up is a buy. Okay, so that's the difference with Quotex. Quotex goes by up or down. Okay. Then on top of that, you guys see this Keltner channel, right? So if you notice, you're focusing on this. Let me zoom it in. You're focusing on these levels right here, okay? So if you see that your candle is going below this level here, this green top level, you should be getting in for a sale, which is down, right? If you notice that this is surpassing this level here, the median, this is also a sell opportunity, right? Okay? Never, never, never. I do not want to get in for a sell opportunity below this level simply because it may not surpass it. It's really, really, really risky to have a sell underneath this last third line, okay? I hope that makes sense, okay? So again, you wanna go in for a sell here, you wanna go in for a sell here, but never go in the sell right here. Vice versa, if you want to go in for a buy, you go in to buy whenever it's above this level, and then you go in to buy whenever it's above this level, okay? But we never want to go in to buy for this level, okay? Just because HFX is super fast, you want to be cautious, okay? You lose money fast and you gain money fast, okay? So again, when you notice that your zigzags are going in the direction that you want it to go in, then you go in and wait until it surpasses this level. When it surpasses this level here, I would have got in for a sell, right? Got in for a minute, okay? And again, guys, I'm compounding. So I'm going based on how much I'm supposed to make per day, okay? So if you are supposed to make $5 all together today, and you say, hey, Samara, I just want to do $5, you have to wait for that opportunity because again, if you lose that $5, then now you have to make $10 for that day, okay? So to be someone who has risk management, you only want to trade with either $1 or $2 because again, $1 or $2 is easier to gain back rather than $5. As you guys can see also, with the $5, you're also gaining a payout of an additional $2.05. So you're going to get back your $5 that you invested plus the $2.05, which will be a cost at $7.05. Again, guys, when you're looking for your pairs, you want to make sure that you're actually looking for pairs that has momentum in a high percentage. A high percentage is 75% and above, okay? So you don't want to get with the percentages that are less because that's saying that your payout is very low, okay? So for an example, if I was to put in, let's see, the lowest low, 10% of AUD CHF. AUD CHF is only going to give me 50 cents, okay? So that means I invested $5 and I'm only going to get back 50 cents if I win that trade. That is not worth it. All of that analysis, all of those indicators, all that time that you have put into, you're not looking for 10%. You're looking for at least 75% or more, okay? Or more, okay? With HFX on Quotex, all right? So again, guys, I hope that this video was very informative for you guys. I hope it was very easy for you guys to understand. I would like for you guys to go into your demo account on Quotex or your real account and back test this, okay? At least try to win at least 10 trades, 10 trades, have 10 successful trades with this strategy in order for you to move forward with trading Quotex. Because guys, this is another opportunity that you can use to make money, okay? So go ahead and go into that description box that I have for you guys, and go ahead and go click on that link for you guys to go ahead and go create your account, because we are trading every platform. So let's get it. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because it is what? It is free. Peace out.